Open www.physiocarepms.com and log in. If messaging services are not enabled, a message will appear to enable them. Click on your name at the top right and navigate to View Profile. Locate Messaging Services in the Preferences list. Click on it to view all the messaging services. Check or uncheck according to your needs. You can view sample messages by clicking on the Help button. Templates are predefined. You can modify details of clinic address only. It is nice to include address, appointment number, Google Maps link, etc. You can also send a test message to receive messages on WhatsApp. It will take around 30 seconds to 1 minute to deliver a message. You can set automatic reminder times for appointments. Click on the Save button to save the changes. You can make these changes at any time by clicking on the Setup button or Toggle button. You can also view logs of recently sent messages. Thank you for watching the video.